Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to get your API keys for ChatGPT. And right now, I'm currently inside the platform where we can get the said API keys. So the link for this one is going to be platformopenai.com. And if you can find that one, just simply open up a new tab right there. Type in here platform, OpenAI, and basically the first result should be this one. And even Google will correct your spelling. Just click this one right here and you'll be arriving on this option right there. Next up, you're going to need to log in. So the credentials that you're going to use for this one would be the same credentials you're using for your chat GPT. I'm currently logged in right now using my dummy Google account, and this is also has access to my chat GPT. They're technically the same credentials, alright? So for example, you don't have an account for here yet, you can just sign up. And basically for this one, you can use the same credentials to your ChatGPT account. Moving forward for this one, on the left side right there, you need to look for API keys. I know there's going to be a lot of options here, so if you can't really find it, there is going to be a search bar right there, or simply the shortcut for that one is Control K, and basically type in here API keys. And you're going to have this one under settings, click on there, and you're going to have this option. So since I'm currently the owner of this organization, I can view all API keys. And basically, there is only one simple click to create your secret key here. So just type this one sample 1. And the project for this one, I'm going to go for secret project. You can choose for restricted or read only. I'm going to go for all and basically create your secret API keys. Now, a disclaimer guys, make sure you save your API key. This one right here. And you cannot use mine because it will not let you use it. This is solely addressed on my end. I can only be the one who's use it. After you click on done for that one, you will not see that API key anymore. As you can see right there, this is no longer visible or accessible. So for example, you have forgot it, just delete the current one, revoke key right there, and basically start a new one. Right? So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.